Hello and welcome back. We are at beta 75%. Woohoo! We are getting close to our second iteration of the Project Wizard, where we are kind of bringing to life a retirement subscription service that teaches you industry secrets and kind of some specific stuff that you wouldn't know otherwise. So, once again, our beta's goal was to add that functionality element to make sure that people could subscribe, get notifications, be able to access our content on the web platform, and overall just enhance the user experience. So, once again, we have the beta goals. So, figuring out the sign up buttons that actually link places, improve the content, work with users to figure out where some snags might be, and then official copy both on the industry report and some other places as well. And also email notification, which is actually our biggest progress today, in addition to improving some content and creating another article for the website as well. So let's go ahead and jump in. Of Klaviyo, which is the platform we're using to help with our email campaign. So imagine we've figured out all the content we want for the month of November, we've uploaded it to the portal on the back end, and we're ready to alert our current users. So for the user group, we selected all users, and that pulls from the WooCommerce group of people who have subscribed and paid, in air quotes. And it also kind of just lays out a little bit of information about the subject line, who it's going to be received from, and then the content is something I've created within this app, and you'll get to see it on the other side. But we are going to go ahead and schedule/send right now in real time. So as this loads, I'm going to hope that it will send an email to my email address addressing me, and send it now. And then we should be directed right back to the platform. So it seems that it has now been sent and queued to go now. And so we are going to come here. Okay, my apologies for a delay. It took a little bit longer and I did not want to make you have to sit there and wait, but it has now come in. So you click into Wizard. It shows a little bit of our branding, which you're going to get in the report, and some cute little looks on the new report being live. So it addresses me personally, which I really like that little part. And it gives you a call to action to be able to go see your user portal. As I'm currently logged in, it should take me directly to the user portal. Here we go. And yeah, so in addition to doing that kind of email notification automation there, we also have bulked out a little bit of additional resources directly where you'd be consuming the reports. So with the 401k, sorry, that didn't go through. With the 401k, as you consume this, you might be having some questions if you're newer. So we wanted to go ahead and put information that would be relevant to our users in kind of this little resource area down here. This is lagging a little bit more than it would usually, but those are the interactive charts. So this is information on 401ks in general, some of the IRS's rules distilled a little, and then some general FAQs that you can break out and see, okay, these are the differences. And yeah, so we've done the same for the IRA as well, not so much for the stock portfolio. I think that's a little bit too broad to do like super direct questions, especially since I think more people are comfortable with that. So we focused on the 401k and the IRA for that resource portal. Then similarly, we tried to pull the same information for IRAs. So if you go down here, you will see everything that is consistently the same. With the IRA, there's a little bit less. It's not as complex. And then questions that are specified towards this. Awesome. The final thing I want to show is the new addition to the Learning Center in terms of articles, and just reassurance that we now have access to see the actual content live instead of the bug that was shown last time, which we are really excited about. So hopefully the goal with these articles too is to be able to reference them in other places. So if someone has a question about tax rates, maybe it could pull them directly to this article. You could see what the brackets are, how it's not just directly whatever your bracket is, how it kind of is this gradual process. Then some information there. And once again, just links to the other areas. This is one of the fundamentals, hoping to break that out, do some more stuff there that is useful to our users.